Hey WordPress users! In this video we are going to take a quick look at LearnPress, one of the most popular WordPress LMS plugins for creating and selling online courses directly from your website. LearnPress is a great solution for teachers, coaches, course creators, schools, training centers, and anyone who wants to build a complete online learning platform without needing advanced technical skills. As you can see from the landing page, LearnPress presents itself as a powerful WordPress LMS plugin that helps you create courses, manage lessons, add quizzes, work with students, and even monetize your educational content. One of the biggest advantages of LearnPress is that it gives you many LMS features inside WordPress. You can build structured courses, organize learning materials, manage students, use add-ons, and customize your course website based on your needs. It is suitable for both small course websites and large educational platforms. Whether you want to offer free courses, paid courses, certificates, quizzes, or a full online learning experience, LearnPress gives you the tools to get started. Now, let's move to the WordPress dashboard and see how the plugin works from the inside. After installing LearnPress, you can see that the plugin adds its own menu to the admin panel. From here, you can manage your courses, lessons, quizzes, students, orders, settings, and add-ons. The interface is clean and easy to understand, especially if you already have some experience with WordPress. Everything is organized in a logical way, so you don't need to search too much to find the main tools. For example, if you want to create or manage a course, you can simply go to the courses section, and if you want to work with lessons or quizzes, they also have their own separate areas. Now let's take a quick look at the LearnPress key features page. Here you can clearly see how LearnPress supports the full online course creation process. It includes tools for creating lessons, assignments, quizzes, and learning activities. It also offers different ways to monetize your courses, such as paid courses, subscriptions, memberships, and other selling options. Another important part is course management. LearnPress gives you full control over course capacity, retake options, prerequisites, evaluation methods, and student progress. And for marketing, it includes useful features like reviews, announcements, notifications, and engagement tool. So this page shows that LearnPress is not only for creating courses, but also for managing, selling, and growing a complete online learning platform. Now let's quickly explore the LearnPress add-ons and integrations page. This page shows how LearnPress can be extended with many useful add-ons based on your website needs. For example, you can add certificates, assignments, gradebooks, content rip, course reviews, wishlists, and many other features to improve the learning experience. It also includes important integrations for selling courses such as WooCommerce, Stripe, PayPal, Razorpay, Payu, and other payment options. This is very helpful because you can start with the basic LMS features and then add more advanced tools as your online course platform grows. Overall, LearnPress is a great solution if you want to create, manage, sell, and improve online courses without needing advanced technical skills. Thank you for watching, and I hope this quick showcase helped you understand what you can build with LearnPress.